of a tigress, a bird so majestic of a famous sage, beseeching soar like an eagle in this timeless age. Dead my wings is known, I am uprooted, to live a life so craftily suited for a bird of aristocracy in this kingdom of convoluted bureaucracy. We're free on free as thunder, clothing again, goddess of crimson, shining with splendor through the changing seasons, but so hollow inside, beseeching to fill up my cup of Ardor, longing to go with the rise, to fly and go farther. Want my physical sinews not to weigh down upon me. Wanna be light as a feather, a spirit so free. Want to be picturesque as a changing